So hello, welcome. Today Kia Sorento upper control arm front. Brand new one here. Tools you need: 70mm, 40mm fork. Pull out this nut, and that's pretty much it. Let's start. Once you got those bolts loosened, take the 40mm, which is here, crack this open. So take the fork, press it between here, and it comes out like that. Once you got the bolts out from this side, now this is the last bolt. Little bit playing. And the control arm is free. And you can clearly see where this one is failed. There are cracks inside. Same with this side. Ball joint itself is tight, not really bad, but this is playing here. Now take the new control arm, place it between the new braces and this side as well. It's a little bit playing to get it going into these slots. It's really tight. And now you insert the bolts. I take the bolts. I'm using the graphite grease. Anti-seize on them. This bolt is in place. Take the second one, the right hand one. The longer bolt goes this side. Do the same. Little bit the anti-seize onto them and try to wiggle it into slot, and then we're good to go. Now, once those bolts are ready to be tightened, I don't have tightened them yet. Too early for that. One joint a little bit. Not that easy as it looks. Make sure it sits into a spot. Now, like I said before, I didn't tighten those bolts down yet. What I'm doing now is taking another jack, this time the bottle jack. I'm lifting this setup up to intimidate that or to show like it's sitting on ground with the wheel on. So I assume it should be something like that. And now you tighten those bolts down properly and nice and snug before you can say it's completed, because you have to do it that way. It's the proper way to do that. I've seen a lot of people doing it the wrong way. And make sure you don't forget to put the ABS cable wiring bracket back at this other side brake line one. This one is tightened. And the final part the other side, because there is no room for ratchet, you have to do it that way. Nice and tight, and that's it. Job completed. Put the wheel back on and you're good to go. Nothing crazy, nothing hard. Thanks for watching.